Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you're all fine and good today. I'm going to discuss with you how do you prepare your indicator by using beetroot. So the procedure is very simple. To prepare your own indicator using beetroot, you can follow these steps. Firstly, take some beetroots, wash them and peel them with the help of knife. Cut the beetroots into small pieces. Then after that, place beetroot pieces in clean container like glass beaker or jar. Then add enough water to cover the beetroot pieces completely. Then heat the mixture gently on a stove or in water bath for about 15 to 20 minutes. This helps extract the color compounds from beetroots. Then allow the mixture to cool down and then strain it through the filter paper to separate the liquid from solid beetroot pieces. After doing this, the resulting liquid is your homemade beetroot indicator. The extracting beetroot juice will have a reddish purple color indicating its acidic nature. This homemade indicator can be used to test the acidity, basicity or alkalinity of other substances by adding small amount of indicator in a solution being tested. The color change observed can provide information about the pH level of solution, the acidic solution having reddish while alkaline solution having yellow or green. So viewers, this is for today. I hope you like it or it's a very informative video for you all. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with all notes here. Allah Hafiz.